What's up guys, I'm Winchester. Today we are on Hellcase and we got $5,000 balance guys. Welcome to my video. Before the video guys, don't forget to click the referral section and type my code Winchester. It gives you 10% deposit bonus when you deposit on site. Don't forget to use this, okay? So it gives you 10% deposit bonus. So let's go on our video. Today I will try some case battles. Let's create one. Let's add some cases now. So I will try Thunder case 10 times Arufusa. 10 times double boost, 10 times on Teju 10 times, and Undying Case 5, Grandmaster 5, total of $4,000 case battle. We have to win this case battle, guys. Let's go. Can I. What? Bro, why can I play with bots? Why am I waiting for a player? Dude, that battles count? No. Let's create one. Bots, please. Okay. Now, what did I. Oh my god. Thunder case 20 times. Orifice case 10 times. Onitaji case 10 times double boost. Stunning Source, Grandmaster, and Undying. Total 50 case. Let's create it, bro. For $3,600. Again, I'm waiting for a player. Why is that? Why, bro? Can I at least let's try a bot? Okay, public. I will try private. Let's go. One gloves case. Let's start a battle. And this bot will join us in this case, but the other one is not. Why is that? That's weird though. Let's see what's gonna happen in here. 100 to 86. They won it. Okay. So I will leave this one. I will create another. Bots, private. Let's edit again. Orteji case, 10 times. Thunder case, 20 times. Grandmaster 5, Undying 5. Let's edit for a $3,000. Again, we are waiting for a player. Why is that? That's really weird, bro. Is this something? Okay, let's make it 10 Onitaji bots. Okay, the bot is now with us. Let's go. We got a Vulcan here, AK-47, $850. Nice hit. That was a nice hit. AK-47 red line, 100. AK-47 headshot, $30 to $5. Digital print streams, $80 here. Neon Rider to Bloodsport. We got a Case Sergeant AK, $300. AP Naniers, 40 to 35. APP Asimo, we got it, 200. That's good. And the last case, Bloodsport in the red line. We are winning with $2,700. That was a great profit. Let's create the same battle. Let's go. Okay, you start with Nail Rider, $140. 43. Okay, you got a Prince Tim. He's on the late now. Okay. Red line to near near. 130. We got it. You got a Prince stream. Okay. And off to case below. We lost it unfortunately. So I will go to the upgrade section. Try to upgrade these skins. Let's choose a 700 to 1,000 and $400 butterfly knife scorch on the right side with 45%. Let's roll, and we won this nicely. That's a good one. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That was a great video for us. See you in the next one. Goodbye.